Good morning and welcome to the Saturday meeting of the NSA. Would you introduce yourself and tell us how long have you been a member of NSA?
Sure, thanks, Tina. My name is Brenda Smull, and I've been in NSA Arizona for 1 year. It's my anniversary this month.
And then what value have you found being a member of NSA?
I found NSA to be an amazing experience. I've been speaking for over 30 years in Toastmasters, but this is a whole new environment. It's supportive, it's enriching, inspiring, and the main thing is it gives you an opportunity to learn how to make money speaking.
Have there been any surprises that you found as a member of NSA?
The biggest surprise, I think, was looking in myself, my ability to speak, and realizing what other things I could do. The examples of everybody, what else I can achieve that I haven't really thought about.
Oh, beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you.